Kumusta kayo? Ako nga pala si Ladi, isang registered nurse at certified dementia practitioner. At dati rin akong caregiver. Pero ngayon, isa na akong newbie YouTuber. Bakit nga ba ako nag-YouTube? Simple lang. After years of working and caring with the elderly, lalo na yung may mga dementia, naisip ko, why not share my knowledge and experience to the new nurses, CNAs, and caregivers, at even yung mga taong nag-aalaga sa sarili ng pamilya sa kanilang bahay. I want to educate, inspire, and hopefully make you smile. Kasi diba, minsan, yun lang ang kailangan natin para makasurvive sa work. Kunting tawa, kunting inis, pero tuloy pa rin ang laban. Dito sa Mind and Heart, expect videos about dementia education, caregiving tips, day in my life as an RN, inspirational stories, some humor, and real talk about dealing with the elderly. So, kung isa kang bagong nurse, CNA, caregiver, or someone who take care of others, or just wanted to learn and be inspired, this channel is for you. Reminder lang po, ang mga videos ko ay para pang-education at inspiration lang. Hindi po ito substitute sa proper medical advice and treatment. Always consult your doctor pa rin, ha? So, kung ready ka na matuto at ma-inspire, subscribe na! Let's learn to care together with a smile. See you in my next video, but don't forget to like and comment below kasi gusto ko rin kayong makikilala. Salamat! See you in my next